mo ba kapag around 11,000 lang monthly, townhouse lang ang kaya? Wait, baka magulat ka dito.
This is Pagsibo Village, located at Barangay San Miguel, Cavite. Ang maganda dito, duplex house and lot siya. Not your usual affordable housing setup.
Imagine having a 54 square meters na lot area at 45.5 square meters of floor area. May car park ka pa. May space for your family compared sa mga typical starter home.
And here's the best part. Zero down payment and zero equity pa rin ito. Yes, tama ang narinig mo.
Pag-ibig Financing, around 11,500 monthly amortization lang siya for up to 30 years with required income na around 35,000. Pwede rin to kung by the income is qualified.
Open ito for locally employed, OFWs, and virtual assistant.
Matagal mo ng pangarap magkaroon ng sariling bahay pero feeling mo hindi mo kaya, baka ito na yung chance mo.
Plus, malaking tulong ito especially sa first-time home buyers kasi may developer assistant sa housing loan application. So, hindi mo kailangan ma-stress at mga pa sa proseso. Well-guided you step by step. Accessible din ang location along highway, one bus ride away to PITX, near Walter Martnai, public market, hospitals at schools.
Almost complete turnover na rin ito ha. Partition na lang talaga ng bedrooms ang kulang at pwede mong itong i-customize base sa gusto mo.
Kung para sa pamilya mo ang bahay na ito, don't ignore this sign. Gusto mong malaman kung qualified ka? Send me a message at tutulungan kita step by step. I'm Bern, ready to assist you in your future property investments from Hope Team, your agent with a heart.